active and open your ears. But before starting, a memorable thing that we all should know in our life is that what are whole number and what are natural number. So first we will discuss them. Whole number, the numbers starting from 0 are called whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, second natural number, the numbers starting from 1 are called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. Now, the main topic and the main question of this chapter is what is integer? So, now we are going to start this. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is integer, absolute value of integer and some properties of integer also, like addition of integer, subtraction of integer, multiplication and division of integer. Now, integer, it is a collection of every positive and every negative number including 0. Some example of negative integer, -1, -35, -99, etc. And some example of positive integer, +1, +2, +5, etc. Now, the absolute value of integer. The absolute value of any integer is its positive and 0. For example, if a is an integer, then the absolute value of a is a. Now, we will discuss the properties of integer. Properties of integer is the second important part of this chapter. Now, there are 4 properties of integer. Addition. First, we discuss addition of integer. Addition of integer is also having its 5 own property. The very first property and the easy property is closure property. For example, if a and b are the two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. Second property, commutative property. If a and b are the two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a is also an integer. The third property, associative property. If a, b and c are 3 integers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now, the fourth property, additive identity. The additive identity of addition of integer is 0. Additive identity of every integer is different. So, for example, if a is an integer, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. The result is a. The fifth property and the last property is additive inverse. The additive inverse of an integer is its opposite. For example, if minus x is an integer, then the additive inverse of minus x is x. Now, we will discuss the second property of integer. It is subtraction of integer. Subtraction of integer is also having its 3 own property. The very first is closure property. If a and b are 2 integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Second property, commutative property. If a and b are the 2 integers, then a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Third property, associative property. If a, b and c are 3 integers, then a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Now, in subtraction of